Well, I was planning on filming today because I got some packages in the mail that I wanted to film. And also my garage. You guys seem to roast me about my garage. So let me show you guys why I can't really clean my garage. Those bins right here, that's all family stuff. That can't go anywhere else unless I rent out a storage unit. And I don't see the need to rent out a storage unit because I really don't work in my garage anyway. This is all Ruckus stuff. So when the Ruckus frame stuff come back, all this is gonna be gone. Random chair, leaf blower. This dresser was supposed to go to my brother's, but he hasn't came and got it yet. All my stuff right here is just spare parts in case anyone needs. Spare parts, random crap that I will never use, engine, bumpers, Ruckus wheels, stuff over there. And that's pretty much my garage. I mean, I can't really, you know what I'm saying, make it as spacious as I want, aside from getting rid of all of that, and then I'll be able to have a lot of room in the garage for my car. But look at it. Still not enough to work in here anyway. And sure, I can clean it up, but it's gonna get dirty the next day because, well, I got to do the Ruckus stuff in here, and then I got bumpers and stuff everywhere, which is a bunch of excuses of why I'm lazy. But is there rain in the headlight? So it finally stopped raining. Now we're gonna get this video underway with some install. Well, I'm gonna install one part, maybe two. I might be able to install the headlights. And I think in that long box are my hatch struts, if I'm not mistaken. I'm pretty sure. Beautiful, beautiful human being. I don't know his name. I couldn't find it on my Instagram DMs. But he reached out to me because he had an extra set of Integra hatch struts. And he was like, yo, bro, let me send them to you. I was like, for real? He's like, yeah. And his name's not on the package, so I can't thank him. But if you know who you are, thank you so much, bro. I think they're in here, but I'm pretty sure they are because look how long it is. I'm pretty sure they're in here. So thank you so much, bro. I wish you would put your name on here, man. Put your address on here, so I'm gonna send you something in the mail for this. So thank you. All right, so let's open up this package, the first one. All right, so your boy do got some brand new hot struts with a little bit of overspray. So he's a Zosh built squad fam member. So here we have the hatch struts. You know, it's kind of funny because I know I've been needing these for a long time. Like, I know I needed this ever since I painted, I think, this black. Listen, don't paint this. This silver thing, if you're trying to make it look clean or something, just wrap it or whatever. Do not paint this because when the paint get in there, it somehow messes up the gas and hydraulic system, and you're going to be stuck with while you're holding the hatch up, and then you have to put in or take out whatever you have in. So without further ado, let's install these nunchucks for Integras or any cars with hatches. Let me stop before I hurt myself. Now, if you're from the struggle like me, then you have to do this in order to keep your hatch up. So to replace your shocks on your hatch, I think this is a 12mm. Just use like a wrench or whatever. And right here, you just gotta remove this C-clip, right, that clip right there, and then just pop it out, and that comes right out. And it's raining again. Jesus, man. Florida, why don't you let me install something successful? You let me do the shift linkage, but now I can't even do a freaking shock replacement. It'd be your own state, dog. Your own state. We all know that Zosh isn't the smartest, because what I was trying to do was I was putting this one on first and then doing this one, which makes life much difficult. And if you're weak like me, you don't want to hold up no hatch while you screw this in. So I did that one first, and then all I gotta do now is just push the hatch up and then just slide that on real quick, and then I just clamp it, and then I'm done with that. Work smarter, not harder. I couldn't be a slave, bro. I'm telling you, I just couldn't do it. I just couldn't do it. And voila, bro, I got a working hatch again. God is good, bro. All the time. all the time. I really wish I could have found his Instagram name, man. There was just so many DMs, bro. Well, thank you so much, man, because the most, you know, affordable thing that you need for your car so you can be able to put things in, and I've never got around to ordering it. And I was like, well, I don't need to. I never really opened my hatch anyway, but it is a hassle, and like I gotta put bumpers or fenders in, but shout out to him, bro. He came. Shout out to you, bro. I really do appreciate it. To the second part of the video, we're going to be installing this box that I believe is my headlights.
You know what I mean? If you're ready.
So here are my brand new headlights. Yes, sir. I got projector headlights again because, well, they're the most affordable. OEM headlights in great condition are gonna run you about $250 per side. So you're looking at $500 for like OEM brand new of this quality condition. Not quality, but in this form of condition. I love my Integra to death, but I don't see the reason in spending $500 on some OEM headlights. I know there's some OEM perfectionist people out there that chase the OEM dream, but your boy gonna rock out with these $80-something projector headlights. So, and what's so dope about these headlights? They were a gift from my lovely, lovely girl. I can't thank her enough for looking out for me. If you're watching this, which you always do, thanks, boo. I was debating on whether I should install the headlights now or wait until my headlight harness stuff comes in the mail, because for my halos, I have to wire my halos into my signal lights. So when I turn on like the first light indicator, which where like my side markers come on, my park light come on, I believe I'm saying this correctly, the halos light up too. But I can't do that because the passenger harness got messed up and my driver's side harness is also messed up. But I'm just gonna install them regardless. Probably not wire up the halos until I get the stuff in, but let's just get these headlights installed. I honestly have no idea how this headlight's still working with all that water that just came out of it. Wow, so looking closer at the frame, yeah, definitely took a hit. Definitely took a hit. But all good, baby. Before, after. I wonder if I get a hammer and just hammer that down. Will that fix anything? Because that one's down and this one's up. So I'm gonna try to hammer that down. Nah, I ain't gonna worry about it. Hopefully I can see if my light will fit. Like if it clears fine, then I'm good. Oh no. I see the white meat, dog. Oh, yep, I'm bleeding. Yeah, I'm bleeding. With a slight few bangings, got the headlight to be placed pretty good. The only problem I have right now is that right there. I'm gonna have to drill a hole in this tab so I can be mounted down. Once I bolt down the top ones, I could be able to flex that a little bit to bend it down to that bracket to put the 10 mil in there. But for the most part, new headlight is in, boy. I already did my modification to cut so I can have some type of, I don't know, shelter, I guess, from water. But these aux beams are waterproof, so that's cool. And I did it to this one as well. So all I gotta do now is just install them. And like I said, I won't be wiring up the halos until I get the signal light harnesses in the mail.
Max, the girl, call me Mr. Nice Feeling. Bouncing in green from the sneaks to the fade. I ain't even in the game and the nigga look paid. Cockroach niggas get sprayed with the raid. No time for the drama, trying to get laid. Sipping my Miller, kid, mass lady killer. Yo, girl, I'ma feel it like gas to the tank. Light skin college girl, wanna come to Scotty's world. Like to wear it straight, cut her hair, not your lippy curl.
Now that I got the headlights installed, the true test is putting on my old bumper to see if it actually lines up perfect, because I think the driver's side's gonna have some fitment issues, so I hope not, bro. I really hope not. Okay, so I did a lot of off-screen things, and I'm having issues to where my old bumper isn't really clearing. I took my trusty Harbor Freight grinder and grinded away the stuff that was messed up. I tried hitting with a hammer like this part and it's just not coming. So I was actually gonna cut this little thing off right here, like just cut this little thing off completely like how the bottom one is, but that's not causing my fitment issues. I honestly have no idea what's causing the issues with it, but when I push all the way down on it, it clears. So I don't know. Something is going on with this side that I gotta figure out what exactly is wrong. Like I know this is all out of shape and cracked up and stuff, but I don't know, dog. I don't know. I should start mocking this one up to fit, but for the most part, the headlights are installed, and I'm still try to figure out how I can get perfect fitment with this bumper, so then I know exactly what I gotta cut and stuff on this one, so I can have straight, direct, great fitment. So as you guys can see, like right here looks good. Like this part looks good. Then we go over here, and look at the gap, dog. Like I don't understand. Like, but when I go like this, like something right here is causing it not to go. And I'm trying to figure out why. Like I loosen the bracket and try moving it the best I can to get it, and I don't have it bolted up back here, so this is supposed to move back and forth. Since I don't have the bottom bolts bracket up, the headlight's supposed to like move back and forth, and it's not. So it's obviously something that's causing it. So like an hour and a half passed. I was fixing the little small things on the bumper itself. I don't know why. I was just trying to figure out where my problem was, and I had to trim some more of the grill so I can like go back a little bit more. And I mean, it's not perfect. I had to bolt in the bumper support bar and put one of the little screws in, but this is what I got. This is the best I could get it. I'm gonna have a little gap right there. I think this one has a little gap too. Oh yeah, it has a little gap right here, but I mean, for the most part, this is the best I can get it. I mean, it ain't too noticeable. The part I'm gonna hate the most about this entire process is trimming that bumper to work, because I got to take it on and off, on and off, on and off, even while I'm, you know, basically replicating what I did to this bumper onto that one with the cuts and everything to make sure it clears fine. But I don't know, man. Another main concern of mine is fender fitment, because look how low this is, bro. And look at this one. You know what I'm saying? Like, that's where, like, I'm gonna have the issue with. Well, then again, this one did crash, so I don't really know about how the structure integrity of this actually is compared to that one. So the test fitting process of that bumper will be soon on this. But for the most part, putos, the headlights are installed, son. I actually got high beams now. Usually when you order projector headlights, you only get bulbs in the main, and they're like halogens or whatever. But they actually sent you. But with these headlights, they actually sent me the high beams. So that's dope. I'll leave a link down below to the headlights in case you guys are interested in picking up some new headlights for your Integra. 9801, not 9497, because that front end is whack. Let's see if I, well, pretty sure I did it right. I mean, it ain't hard. Signal lights on. Boom. Oh, high beams, boy. Both of them work. Yeah. This is the first time my car has had high beams in the past, what, 3 years? So that's pretty dope.